This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play I Haunt Your Dreams on guitar. We'll start by getting familiar with the main chords. You'll need to know E, G sharp, A, and a minor. For the bridge, we'll introduce a C sharp minor. Ensure your guitar is in standard tuning, and you won't need a capo for this song. Focus on clean chord shapes and smooth changes between them to build a solid foundation. Next, let's tackle the strumming patterns that give this song its feel. For the intro and chorus, use a down, down, up, down, up pattern for the E, G sharp, and a chords. When you hit the minor in the chorus, simply use one strong downward strum. The verses are a bit more subdued, using a down, down pattern for each chord. Focus on the rhythm and feel to make it sound authentic. Understanding the song's structure is key to playing it well. It generally flows from an intro into verses, then a bridge, and finally the chorus. The bridge section is where you'll primarily use that C sharp minor chord, often played after an E chord. You'll typically repeat the bridge progression 2 times before transitioning back to a verse. Listen closely to the original track to internalize these transitions. To truly master I Haunt Your Dreams, consistent practice is essential. Start by practicing each section, intro, verse, bridge, and chorus, on its own until you feel comfortable. Then, gradually link them together. Playing along with the original recording at a slower speed can greatly help with timing and feel. Remember, musical expression comes from varying your strumming intensity and dynamics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.